Guys, are you sure that we are still in January 2026? Julius Malema is angry at Taliwonga. Mihlali uyakutsa ukutsa abafana. Maporisa is asking Nota for royalties. Are you sure we are still in the first month of January 2026 or we're in the sixth month of January 2026? Answers. This video is brought to you by WeFin. Are you looking for a personal loan or a business loan and you are looking for flexible payment plans? Look no further because WeFin has got you covered, starting from 100 Rand all the way to 250 Rand. How flexibly, stationery didn't buy all of it. Uniform isa shorter ngamakaos namathaphis. Eh? Or you want to start your business and you're like, imali eye Wi-Fi, ama-customer ma-order online. Ngizoyenza kanjani? Don't worry. WeFin has got you covered, okay? And I love the flexibility of it all, and the money can be in your account in just 8 hours or less. Cabang? Cabang? From zero to izigitigidi nezikotokoto. So yeah, I will leave all their details in the description box down below. I will even pin it in the comment section so that mamela uJanuary kabish, those are things of the past. Ane? Okay. Amukela kunqobo yami bomtaba kadadi, bomtaba kagogo, bomtaba ka-auntie, bomtaba kasisi. I am Sims, and it's at the right Sims on Instagram. So please follow your sister. I also promote businesses and YouTube channels. If you want more traffic on your platforms, look no further because Sims will bring eyes to your business, to your channel. Titi Bode. Yes, my promoted senior management. Another member of management who seems to be doing amazing is Naledi Malela, who is now a host on Big Brother. We know that this show has been on for the longest time. It has built so many cults. Like people see people they love on Big Brother and they follow those people like wait a kingy, wait a kingy. That person died on the cross for them. Yeah, so Unaledi is the new host and she came in with such a bang. Mamela, this was meant for her. She's also part of management. Yes, so congratulations to our senior manager. Hope you kick ass on a Big Brother. Now let us talk about Unota no Maporisa. 10 years ago yesterday, Good was released. Yabona ngizomashaya ke. I'm saying good, so I don't want to sing things I know nothing about. Anyway, Unota is the man behind Questa. Yes. He was like 10 years ago today we released Good. Here comes Maporisa. You fly S5. Ooh, go. He's like, are you gonna pay me my royalties? Because we also know that Maporisa was a very pivotal part of Good. Those swing, swing, gong, gong, gong. He's like, are you gonna pay me my royalties? Ah, yeah, so cool. Amazonota. Hey, yeah, don't start on me. Yeah. He's the only person in Mhlabeni that made people. He made me, he made you, he made our company, he made everything. So he was like, oh, are you trying to start something? And then Umaporisa Sisamile responds, but yeah. So it's not starting off on a good note between Maporisa and Not. I don't even think it was on a good note since it's been a royalty scandal. You know where money is involved. Akudlalwa, akubabhalwa. Maybe they must also get a loan from WeFi. Okay, Daliwonga, why are you so brave to make Julius Malema so upset? Yeah? Yo. Mamela, what happened? It is alleged that Daliwonga was booked at Julius's club in Sishiro, Koslacheng, and he was a no-show. And then Julius came to Twitter and said, don't try me, bastard. Daliwonga, don't try me. Na, ke ngwana wa gama Shashane, ke ngwana wa ko Mafefe. No, it can't. Isishiro, Imafefe. I knew why they said I must do geography because they knew it was going to be needed on my channel. But in my channel, it's Oyando. No, good. Iluster. Iluster. You know what? Tell you Oksala, you didn't show up. Oksala, you didn't show up. And imagine Uchulas, Ukwatile, Ukwanunabo, Ukane Unwabo. Oh, Angie, you see, you made me do Afrikaans first additional language instead of isiZulu first additional. Now I can't even say as chain properly. Because if we uganwe, you guys know what I'm saying. But yeah, so Udalonga hasn't responded. And if I was Dalonga, I was never gonna respond because Ujulius does not let anything go. Don't press begin, don't pass jail, don't look left, don't look right, don't even play this monopoly. Megele akunmai wandali. Megele putam. It's not worth it. Ne? Let us talk about the big story trending right now. Obviously involving my colleague Mihlali, hot topic Ndamase. Someone said I love talking about Mihlali. No, I love talking about what's being trending, and what's being trending is Mihlali. So what must happen? Cabanga ukuthi siyabheka la kule channel. Cabanga ukuthi siyapheka. Cabanga ukuthi sidlala umkhukhu. Don't call me. Okay? If you are a trending topic, of course, we're gonna talk about you. Anyway, Umihlali released a statement yesterday regarding her situation with Mike Brits. So if you guys don't know, there is a married man who forgot that he was in a permanent Zoom meeting with his wife. As soon as his eyes landed on Mihlali, he said, I want my voice in that frying pan. I want to do private part collaborations with that gorgeous person. Forgetting that, he said, I do a home affairs. Mike Breed starts allegedly showering Mihlali with gifts. It is alleged that even that dress that she wore at Big Nan's 100K celebration, and it was a Dolce and Gabbana dress, guys. It is alleged that that was a gift from Mike, and it is also said, you remember she got into an altercation at Montana Club last year. There was a bottle throwing ceremony. People were quoting, and it was alleged that Mihlali was the bottle thrower and Ntontoni. It was also a situation involving Mike, allegedly. And it was covered up very quickly because no police were involved, and then people talked amongst each other. But Nabatu Mike has been making very serious advances at Mihlali, wanting her to be his lover. And Umihlali said no. At some point, she was like, okay, the gifts are nice. Maybe I don't want you. Stay there. And then Mike said, what? What? No, but guys, it became a serious situation because allegedly, Mike now has started stalking Mihlali, stalking her family members, sending people to follow Umihlali. Like she is now like fearing for her life because the situation has gotten extremely out of hand. And she thought that if she kept quiet, this thing was just going to pass by and it was just going to be a non-factor. But she sees Hore, the more she keeps quiet, the more endangered she is becoming, and this statement is a way of her self-preservation as silence didn't work. And Mike does not take rejection very well, and it seems like the rejection became provocation because now his advances turned into threats, turned into stalking, turned into following her, and she doesn't know what to do now. That's why she has released a statement. Or if anything happens to her, look no further. It's this man. Okay. So it is very, very scary and it is very, very wild. On the topic of Umihlali, Sana, like the people she's being associated with, it's really not good for her brand. It's not good for her brand because she's consistently being associated with people that are in permanent Zoom meetings. Because even before the story came out, I let it go because you guys said I talk about her too much. I didn't speak anything about her last week when she was trending for being with an alleged married man. Allegedly. Oh, the matter of alleged that allege in this story. What? You know? So man, it's just not putting a good hini. ngifuna ukuthi brand but ngifuna English. Ngifuna leya English leya ethiwa sangiclone, but it's not coming. It's not coming. But yeah, just the people that she's being as lizofika legama. You guys will say it in the comment section down below. Yeah, but yeah, man, no. You know, I miss the days where you were training for being so successful, being a face of this, opening this, doing business like that. If my coffee shop has an advertise, please don't worry. It's one of those glitches. Maybe rent and enough, you know. But yeah, guys, I will see you guys on the next video. Let us talk in the comment section down below. Go busy. You understand? What's busy?